Today, our topic is surveying and leveling. The important instrument to measure the horizontal and vertical angles in surveying is dash theodolite, a branch of surveying in which horizontal and vertical distance are determined by taking angular observation with an instrument is known as tachyometric survey. The lower silvered plate is the main scale plate. Graduated ranging from in a clockwise direction is dash 0 degrees to 360 degrees. The vertical axis of the theodolite is the axis about which the instrument rotates in the horizontal plane is called dash axis. Azimuthal axis. It is an imaginary line passing through the intersection of the crosshairs of the diaphragm and optical center of the objectives is called as line of collimation. The line joining the points of commencement to point of tangency is called dash long chord. The method generally adopted where degree of accuracy desired in the measurement of horizontal angle is dash reiteration method. The processing of setting the theodolite exactly over the station mark is known as dash centering. The line passing through the center of the inner spindle, outer spindle and bearing in the tribage is known as dash vertical axis. The angle on vertical circle other than 0 is called dash 360 degrees or index error. A curve whose radius varies gradually from infinity to finite value equal to the radius of circular curve to be connected is known as transition curve. 12th bit. The grid method is used when the area to be contoured in a small and ground is not dash much undulating. The plumb bob is used for dash the instrument exactly over the ground station centering. In indirect method of contouring, reduce the level of a point is called dash spot level. The contouring method is used for determination of contours along a fixed route such as road is dash cross section method. The area enclosed by the various contours can be measured by planimeter. The process of placing the contours proportional between the plotted ground point is called dash interpolation of contour. The angle between the tangent and the forward tangent is known as dash angle of intersection. The principle of tachyometry is based on the property of dash isosceles triangle. Reconnaissance survey is to be conducted before the selection of survey station. The accuracy of electromagnetic distance measurement is dash 10 to the power of 5. Least count is the smallest value that can be read from the instrument. The curve which is having a single arc of a circle connecting the two straight lines is called dash simple curve. Length of long chord in terms of geometry of curve is dash 2 r sine theta by 2. Least count of vernier is 20. Regular curve pattern followed by a railway or highway alignment is called dash curve. The process of turning the telescope about the axis in a horizontal plane through 180 degrees is known as reversing. Expand EDM electronic distance measurement. The leveling head is usually consists of two parallel triangular plates are known as tribage plate. The instrument, which is combination of an electronic theodolite and an electronic distance meter, is known as total station. Horizontal axis is also called as dash axis, Trunonian axis. The vertical circle of theodolite is on the left side of observer and the observation taken is called as dash face left observation. Electronic theodolite is also called as theomat. The transits are most commonly used in precise work. Expand GPS, global position system, expand ODM, Optical distance measurement. 36th bit. Distomat used dash rays to measure a distance. Infrared. Least count of theodolite is dash seconds. 20 seconds. Expand FRL. Finished road level. Surveying dash is the art of measuring a slope, horizontal and vertical distance between objects. Surveying. In plane table, inaccessible points may be located at the dash intersection method. Thanks for watching this video. ఎప్పుడు మేము సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమనటం మానవైతే బట్ ఫర్ ఏ చేంజ్ ఈసారి అందరూ కలిసి గంటతో పాటు లైక్ బటన్ కూడా గట్టిగా కొట్టండి. సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ వంశీకృష్ణ.